With this session, we are going to discuss about Mendeleev's versus modern periodic table. How does the arrangement of elements in Mendeleev's periodic table differ from the arrangement of elements on modern periodic table? Here we are, Mendeleev's versus modern periodic table. In Mendeleev's periodic table, according to the Mendeleev says, the elements are arranged according to ascending order of their atomic mass, which is represented by capital A. And in modern periodic table, it's based on the Henry Moseley principle in which elements are arranged according to the atomic number. So here you can see in Mendeleev periodic table that number is mentioned below any element symbol. So these numbers shows the atomic mass of that particular element. And these all are elements arranged ascending order of their atomic mass. But in Moseley periodic table, you'll see the numbers mentioned here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These numbers shows the atomic number of any element. So here all the elements arranged in ascending order of atomic number. And here all the elements arranged ascending order of their atomic mass. The second difference in Mendeleev's periodic table, there have 8 groups and the 6 periods. That vertical lines is considered as groups and the horizontal one is considered as periods. So here in Mendeleev's periodic table, he has 8 groups and the 6 periods. But in modern periodic table, we have total 18 groups. Like you can see the numbers mentioned about the table 1 to 18 and have 7 periods. If we move along to the horizontal one, so there are 7 periods and 18 groups. Now the more differences. Here the position of elements in group or in period. This is not predicted in Mendeleev's periodic table. But in modern periodic table, the group number and the period number, it can be predicted from the element electronic configuration. Because the Moseley said any element's chemical and the physical nature is decided by the arrangement of electrons present in their shells. So due to that, according to the arrangement of electron present in their cell, that Moseley arranged all the elements according to their particular group and the periods. But in Mendeleev, this completely arrangement of elements on the basis of that electronic configuration, it not put all the elements in the groups and the periods on the basis of their any particular property. The next one difference is that inert gas. In Mendeleev periodic table, there were no inert gases are present. But in modern periodic table, have a separate section of inert gases. That complete 18 group is represent the inert gas group, in which all the elements present they are inert in nature, means they are unreactive in open environment. That's why this group is also called zero group. Now the other differences are in Mendeleev's periodic table, the transition elements are not separated. They're completely get mixed with these groups. But in modern periodic table, we have a complete separate section, separate place for the transition elements because the transition element itself have a unique property. Like you can see here that complete yellow section, it belongs to the category of transition elements, which have a complete separate place in the periodic table. Now, the next difference is about the lanthanide and the actinide series. In Mendeleev periodic table, there is no lanthanide and actinide series were present. But in modern periodic table, we have a complete separate section. Like you can see in that bottom, we have 2 lines in which 14 elements are present. These 14 elements, the first line is belongs to the lanthanide series and the second line is belongs to the actinide series. This is not like a separate part from the periodic table. This is a part of the periodic table itself. Like you can see here that pink color is recognized here. This lanthanide series is come to the 6th period and the actinide series is comes in the 7th period. But they have completed a large number of elements present which belongs to the lanthanide category and the actinide category. If we'll put in the periodic table, that arrangement of element get be disturbed. That's why in modern periodic table, that lanthanide and actinide series are placed at the bottom of the periodic table. So there are some differences occur between Mendeleev's periodic table and the modern periodic table. The major difference is about the arrangement of elements in ascending order of atomic mass according to the Mendeleev's, but in modern periodic table the arrangement of elements according to the ascending order of their atomic number. Then about the groups and the periods, transition elements, there are no separate section, they have the complete separate section of transition elements. There is no inert gas present, those inert gas are completely have a separate section. There is no lanthanide and actinide series were present, but here the lanthanide and actinide series are present at the bottom of the periodic table. So there are some differences occur between the Mendeleev's and the modern periodic table. With this note, we conclude the session. We'll see you in next session.